Hello and welcome to the My Bartender Guide to making a Washington Apple Martini. If you enjoyed the content of this video and would like to see more bartending recipes and info, make sure to like and subscribe. The Washington Apple is a crisp and tart drink that can be made as a martini or a shot. As the story goes, in the late 80s, much of Washington State's apple orchards were destroyed by insects. A local apple farmer used the surviving apples to create apple schnapps, which he then mixed with Canadian whiskey and cranberry juice. The Washington Apple is a great year-round drink, but hits the hardest on a chilly fall night. You'll need Crown Royal, apple pucker schnapps, cranberry juice, and a sliced apple garnish. Begin by mixing an ounce of Crown Royal, an ounce of apple schnapps, and an ounce of cranberry juice into a shaker filled with ice. Shake well and strain into a cocktail glass. Finally, garnish with an apple slice. And there you have it, a perfect Washington Apple Martini. Cheers.